What a goal this for Slovakia there. Even Scratch has scored the goal there in the sprint there, and yes, England they are trailing there. The wonderful start this for them, and what a game, what a sensational piece of goal this from the Slovakians. Deservingly they are done it, and that's it. Stay tuned for those status updates from and all those status updates. England they need to really bring Cole Palmer there in the second half. I'm not sure why they are benching him there. Yes, so what a goal this is for Slovakia there. They have taken the lead there against England. Ivan Svankes has scored the goal there. Wonderful game this for them. So stay tuned for those status updates from mine, and there is a stunning piece of goal from it. And what a start, what a game for Slovakia there in the end. Absolutely wonderful to see them performing like that. So that's it. Wonderful day. Take care, and I'll be giving you lots of updates there in the end, as usual there in the end. That's it. Have a wonderful day.